What's good, YouTube? You know who it is. It's your boy Byron, aka the Mow-Town Hustler, aka the Grass Assassin. At it once again. Came out today with my little set because the yards that I have today, the backyard gates are too small for my larger mowers, so I figured I didn't even need to bring those today. So I just rode with my push mower, my weed eater, and my echo blower today, and pretty much got it done. Put the edge work in, you know, cut the whole yard. Took me about 25 minutes, you know what I'm saying, because I was moving, you know what I'm saying, how I do. I just want to put this quick little video out here. I really need to get me a GoPro or something so I can vlog it as I cut, so y'all can see how I do what I do. But like, comment, subscribe, holler back at your boy, and I'll catch you later.